Everybody is trying to build up their immunity right now, right? But did you know that more than 70% of your immunity is right here in your gut? People don't really think about the stomach when it comes to immunity. In Eastern medicine, they give a lot of priority to the stomach, especially Ayurveda. If you're familiar with it, they'll always look at your gut first. And that will be the priority for them to fix all other types of diseases you're having. It would make sense then, in this very precarious time, to strengthen our stomach if we want to see an improvement in our immune system. There are many ways to do that. In this episode, I'm going to tell you guys about navel displacement because it happens so commonly and yet people really don't know about it. So the navel, which is like the belly button right here, right? This gets displaced a lot. There is a very easy way to check if your navel has been displaced or not. You align your toes and then you take your elbows and you align them. The lines on your wrists right here, you want to align them as well, okay? So that it becomes one straight line. The heart line is this line right here, okay? You want to align that as well. So you're aligning your toes, your elbows, your wrist line, and this heart line. Now, you're going to notice something if your navel is displaced, and that is that the top line on your pinky, for both of your pinkies, are not going to match up. They're not going to be aligned. One is going to be above the other. That means that your navel is actually displaced.
अगर यहाँ तोंदीप है सही ढंग पर है तो वह आराम से वही तोंदीप धक धक उधरी तो समझो कि और चीज़ से पिरा रहा है इधर है कैसे हुआ हो तो भुक भुक ऊपर उधरी किधर हो गए नीचे होती है तो लैटरिन होती ऊपर होती है तो जुमत लाता है इसी में है तो दर्द होन करत है अब जैसे यह सही ढंग से हो या ना भी तो यह ना पेट फूली और ना गैस बनी भूख भी लागी आदमी जानबूझ के तो करत नहीं चलते चलते कहीं खाली चंपा पर गवा तो वो ऐसी खसक गई या कोई वजन बोझा उठा लेन उमा खसक जाई और खांसी में हो जाई ज़्यादा खांसी आ गए उमा डोल जाई देखो ऐसी आ गई तो इधर से दाबिए तो फिर अपने अड्डे जाई ऐसे टोबा जाई इतना तो वह जब ऊपर नाभि पर होते तो वह उछाल मारती है ऐसे ऐसे.
So most people, especially in the West, won't be able to find someone who's an expert in placing your navel, right? So there are other ways to do this, and I'm going to tell you one way which is really useful for people, especially if you're living alone or you don't have anyone to help you. What you have to do is lie down flat on your back with your toes pointing straight up, and you want to take an earthen lamp or a lamp made out of wet flour and put a wick in the center and fill it up with mustard oil. Place that earthen lamp on the center of your navel, okay? So you're gonna leave it lit and you're gonna put a steel glass on top of that lamp, okay? So you're gonna lie there for 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes, the lamp will, extinguish, and basically that is a sign that now your navel has been placed. This is a very easy way, and surprisingly, it works very effectively. If you don't have mustard oil, you can also use a small piece of camphor and put that in the earthen lamp.
अगर हो सके तो गरम गरम चाय पी लिए और गरम गरम अगर हल्का तहारी खा लिए वजन चारा ना खाओ बस अगर वजन
खाना चाहिए ठंडा
नहीं गरम हाँ तो गरम से जो दर्द है वह खिंच जाते.
अपना नाम तो बताइए.
हमारा राम सागर नाम.